fuel filter. I have an exact replacement. I'll post a link where you can get your own. I bought a 2-pack. I figure if mine's already worn out, it's a good chance that I'll need it again soon. So like I said in a prior video, just slide these clamps back. And then I put the container here because I don't know how much fuel is going to spill out, but I imagine at least some will. I'm going to have the arrow going that way. This one will hopefully come off. And then again, just push that line on there, and it has the little stopper there, so just push it to that. You don't have to push it over the stopper. Then slide the little locks back down where they were. And I pulled this line up out of these little retainers. You probably don't have to do that, but for filming and putting the drain under here, I thought that was necessary. So they just go back around and push in. And to remove them, what I did was just push down and push through, and that opens them up so you can slide the fuel line out.